Gikundi kia mabururi kia Edukans na kiria gitari gia githirikari ni kinyitanire na thukuru wa University ya Zetech itemi-ini ria kugacirithia mihang'o ya mathomo kuri arutwo thukuru-ini uyu. Hari ngirimiti iria ikiranirwo kirore ni urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu na gikundi giki, arutwo ni marionaga mieke ya gwika uthuthuria wao undu umwe na kuhurwo njeki tabarira-ini itiganite. Makiaria hindi ya mihang'o ino, Vice Chancellor wa thukuru uyu Professor munene hamwe na murugamiriri munene wa gikundi giki guku bururi-ini Mirimugo ni maugite ni mekwambiriria mibango ya kuruguria tabarira itiganite ciigie githomo gatagati-ini ka ingi nyingi iri guteithiriria arutwo ya kugacirithia mathomo mao.
We are very keen on training which helps you settle in life. So there is total convergence of ideas and mission.
There must be teaching with impact. A teacher is not just a teacher. Sio mbora mwalimu, ni mwalimu mbora, you know. So that teacher should be able to make the learning interactive, exciting, until no child misses class because learning is just fun for them. It's like play.
Oho arutwo aya ni marionaga mieke ya kwamukira mathomo matiganite nja wa bururi, mworoto munene ari kunora meciria mao undu umwe na kumatia ndugu gatagati ka thukuru uyu na gikundi giki.
So we believe education is the most powerful engine for progress as they discover and develop their talents. That's really what we believe.
Gikundi giki kia Edukans ni ngwataniro gatagati ka ikundi tari cia githirikari iria ire mabururi-ini ma Ethiopia, Ghana, Malawi na Netherlands.
Okay.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.